Dear doctor, can I ever thank you enough?
I still remember that night. My mom fell to the floor, unconscious.
My wife's water broke that day.
My son had met with an accident. It felt as though the world had stopped right before my eyes.
My heart raced, my palms got wet, my eyes blurred out, and honestly, I couldn't even think properly. But one thing was clear, I needed help and fast.
Luckily, my friend had insisted I keep the emergency care number on the fridge. It was the middle of the night.
And hospitals don't usually pick the call up. I wanted to try anyway.
To my surprise, the call got picked up within 2 seconds.
And within 15 minutes, there was an ambulance waiting outside.
The journey from the house to the hospital was the hardest few minutes of my life.
But it was also one of the most reassuring ones, knowing that she's taken care of well.
There were many people that night, but I remember running straight to you in panic.
Hoping to hear that she'll be fine and that I need not worry.
Well, even if you did say that,
Would it have been enough for me to calm down? It was the longest, most sincere prayer I've ever uttered. And then in a bit, you handed me a girl. You said she's fine.
that he's out of danger.
The world seemed okay again.
You got her home as carefully as you had taken her to the emergency room. Who does that? There's a wave of gratitude that rushed my heart this morning as I sipped a cup of coffee with my mom.
As I read to my 1-year-old,
As my son graduated a few days ago. Funny how time just flies.
There are so many people to be thankful for, so many unsung heroes.
so many people who worked tirelessly that night, behind the scenes, quietly, in the shadows.
They all gifted us something money could never buy. Time.
Thank you, Kims.
Thank you, AIG.
Thank you, Omega.
RED.Health. We help you care better.